Hello on how to use conditional formatting with Excel Copilot. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to use the conditional formatting in total price column. Simply select the entire column. So I simply select here the entire column. You can see these are the Copilot option here showing. Okay, just click on it and click on the suggest conditional formatting. And here see the right hand side the Copilot is open and the question also here added suggest conditional formatting. Wait for the few seconds, Copilot generating the conditional formatting. So okay, here are the some conditional formatting suggestion for data in A1 to F13 on data. Okay, so first is highlight sale in total price when unit price sale are greater than 500. Okay, second highlight top three in column total price. See different types of conditional formatting. So I simply click on the first one and wait for the few seconds again to apply the conditional formatting on your data. Okay, and it's done. Let's click on this arrow and here you can see. And here you can see the customized formula also apply a conditional format on cell in the column price using the formula below. I just click on the apply option, wait for the applying the changes on your data. And that's it. Here you can see it's done. So here you can see the unit price is 500. So greater than 500, those only cell is highlighted in total price. Okay. So this cell is less than 500 here showing. Therefore, it's not highlighted. For it's not highlighted. It's greater than it's highlighted total price cell. Okay. So this is the way you can use the conditional formatting with the Copilot Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.